Good morning, my neighbors. Hey, good morning, guys. How are you doing? It's a new day. It's a beautiful day. Today is Tuesday, 20th of August. So come along with me. I don't know how the day is going to be, but by God's grace, it's going to be nice for me. So stay tuned. Hope you all are doing well. You all are doing fine. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah. Okay, they sell pack. How much this one? 35. How many? 10. I better open my mask here. No worries, sir.
What size?
I don't know. That one is how much?
This one. Hey God, good afternoon, guys. How are you all doing? I'm back from the market though. This is what I got, disposable cup. My own prayer is I hope they do not cheat me. We are planning a surprise for my friend. You're going to see later in the video, sha. And I'm not going to post it until everything is done. So I went to the market today. I'll still be going out to get drinks and some other things. So I bought cup, disposable cup. Ewo, one of my babies wants to fall. These are the airdrops I did I think yesterday and the previous days. Then this is the bridal sash. I was looking for one that is better than this, so this is the only one that they have with different colors. I just told the lady to give me white. Then these are the tags I showed you earlier on in the video. So that's just that. I'm going to carry you guys along with me when I'm going to get the other listing. Please, I want to say something. Today, I'll just, in fact, I sat down in a taxi and minus the driver, the other passengers, God. There was no breathing space all through the, I'm a type of person that if I don't receive air constantly until I'm out of the vehicle, I think they used to call it claustrophobia or something like that. But this one now, the order and everything never allow somebody to breathe well. This one are disturbing me. Any which ways, that's by the way, I don't want to rant too much. I'll see you guys shortly. Oh yeah, it's Itolobo. Hey, you want to banga? Another new word I've learned is don't worry, people will see it. I'll put it in a statement like to make sense. If you're always on TikTok, you should know what I'm about to say. Very mindful, very demure. Cheese. Where is it? Okay, this.
Boss, eyes.
Okay, now the work won't give me this night, eh?
Don't worry, just after it's finished. You might as well.
Alright, so that should have been.
I'm so excited, it's already weekend.
What do you think that you don't bring any sweet man?
Which one is yours? But when they were telling to wear wear clothes. She be no. You go wear this nigga. This is. I have to beg her. Say I'm for ramp one. Give your eye when now. Snap, yeah. This one. Push your hand back. Which one? Which one? She not can you? Wait, don't do anything. She shower before now. You go party. Don't say you carry me go. Carry one. You go hang for head. That's when they drive from. Your name and say the best. Oh my Red. Now today not good. I was in my own. I think what I'm doing more happy. I don't love you people. I don't like you people. I won't buy anything. We love you too. Child. I used to be a youth.
You wait now. People dey snap.
You know, now I'm there. Now draw. Who is the drawer?
Send them.
Oh, my sticks they finish. Wait out. I don't know. Wait out.
Okay, now wait.